If you want to remove your Gmail from Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove your Gmail address from your Facebook account safely and quickly. This is helpful if you want to update your contact information, improve your privacy, or simply remove an email you no longer use. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that contains the Gmail address you want to remove. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides, just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open Facebook and click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This opens your account menu. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look for Accounts Center and click that. Account Center is where Facebook keeps your personal details, connected experiences, and account information across meta services. Next, select Personal Details. After that, click Contact Info. This is the section where your email addresses and other contact details are stored. Now you should see the Gmail address currently linked to your account. Select the Gmail address you want to remove. Once you've opened it, click Delete or Remove. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice, so carefully follow any prompt that appears on the screen. If needed, verify your identity or confirm that you really want to delete that email from your account. Once the removal is complete, your Gmail address will no longer be listed in your Facebook contact info. If you want to keep using Facebook securely, double-check that another email or phone number is added so you can still access your account if you ever need to recover it. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to remove Gmail from Facebook in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.